Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Mathematica and I am your math teacher Rinita Pandit. Today in our first video, we are gonna solve the problem of class 9 from NCERT book of chapter 1, exercise 1.3, question number 8. Okay, so let's move to the question. Okay, now the question is find three different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Now to solve this, we have to find out the decimal representation of the numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Okay, so let's do it. So 5 by 7 equal to, we have to find it. We will get this. How we solve this? We just use the division method. 7 like 7 sevens are 49, 7 fours are 28, 4 again, and now it's again we got take 0, 7 5 is a 35, and again we get 5. So here we are stop here, and we can see that 5 is again coming and the whole process will again repeat. So we stop here, and similarly 9 by 11 we will get 0.81. Now the question is the three different irrational numbers we have to find out, but we know that there are infinitely many irrational numbers between two rational numbers, so we can write any three of them. Okay, but the irrational numbers must be between these two numbers, so we can write like 0.72, 82, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot dot, 0.77, 9, 8, 3, 4, 6, 2, 0.8090, 0, 2, 0, 1 dot dot, and many of like we can write any numbers like this. These are not the only answers, but keep in mind that you have write the dots and the numbers must be between these two numbers. These are irrational numbers and these don't terminate, so we have to write these dots, and we have to keep in mind that these numbers not be in repeating manner. You can also write 0.73456789 dot dot. Keep in mind that you have always write these dots, and these numbers are not in repeating manner because these are the irrational numbers. You can and irrational numbers don't terminates and don't repeats itself. So this is the answer. And if you like the video, give a like, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for more updates, and thanks for watching. And of course, keep practicing.